Today on Sloth Industries, we try and fix the Mini's slow starting issue. Alright, as you can see, you got the Mini in the shed, so just going to go around, take the fuel cap out to just relieve any pressure that's in the fuel system, hopefully. I would usually do it under the fuel rail, but in the Mini Cooper S that's under the intercooler, and I'm not getting into that on this car. So yeah, I'll do that, then jump inside the car. Right, so first things first, back seat has to come out. Just remove the lower section there. That'll lift up, come out. Fuel pump is under the, what in Australia is the passenger side of the car, and the fuel filter is in the driver's side of the car. So we'll do all our work on this side today. I'll swap over to the time lapse now. Alright, pretty self-explanatory. That cover down there comes off that hole, 5 10mm nuts. You can use a ratchet, socket, whatever. You would have seen I've just used the impact gun. I like to use that on majority of bolts if I can, just makes the jobs a bit faster. Next step, got a flathead screwdriver, preferably one you don't love. You're just going to put it on those tabs, give them a light little bump around, and they'll come off. What I'll do first is I'll just give that a quick blowout, just try and get some of this dust and dirt and spider eggs off the top. So there's the old pump out. Doesn't actually look too bad. The screen's not that dirty. Obviously this is all discoloured. The car's fairly old, but it hasn't done that many extra kilometres. It's only got 95,000 on it I think now. So I've got the new one here in a box, eBay special from Batmic, if I'm saying that correctly. So I'll pull that out, make sure it's got all the same filter and everything, because you've got to make sure you put the screens back on them. Make sure it's the same pump, which fingers crossed it is. And yeah, then I'll just chuck it back in and we'll see how it goes. It's a good idea to put some fuel back in the actual swirl pot of the fuel pump, just so when it gets that first prime, your fuel pump doesn't get too hot. It's probably not something that you really have to do. It's just something that I do. I'm not a mechanic, I'm a spray painter, you can tell by the shirt. But you know, better to be safe than sorry. Yeah, just a quick one. You can see the old pump compared to the new pump. This new pump's actually a good bit of gear. Comes with the pre-screen, comes with the new rubber seal as well for the fuel pump, so pretty happy with that. Chuck it in, see how she goes. As you can see, it's all back together. Stumbled around a little bit just because there's a plastic clip inside the tank that went on what I assume is a return line. It looked like it should have gone on top of where I clipped the hose in, but I couldn't quite get it back there. It wasn't on there originally, so I'm just going to go with faith and say that it's doing what it's supposed to inside the tank. Now I'll just do a bit of clean up here from all this other dirt. Put the seat back in, and then we'll give it a shot. Well, here goes nothing. Give it a shot. And another time for good luck. Mint. Right, well, that's done. I'm going to call that a win. I'm going to check it out now, take it for a drive, make sure she goes right, but I reckon it'll be fine. The car does have a little bit of a power steering leak from under there. I do have a new reservoir for it, so I'll have a quick look at that. Depending on how long this video is, may include it. Otherwise I might just do another one down the track sometime. I do really want to get onto the VL, so yeah, this is just another car to get out of the way. I'm going to put this one up for sale shortly. If you know anyone that's around in the territory and possibly wants to buy a low kilometre Mini Cooper S, this one will be up for sale. So cheers, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, like it, subscribe it, press the buttons if they are somewhere here, and you know, any support would be great. Just starting out. If I get some likes, people are into it, obviously I'll keep doing these projects. I'm always working on cars. We've got 4, maybe 5 in the yard right now. We'd have to double check. I'm sure my lovely partner knows the exact amount because she's probably sick of looking at them all the time. But I've got a few, so we'll get around to it. Oh, no worries. Cheers. See you later. Quick second gear pull, I suppose. Alright, call that a win. So she's driving. There's no misses anymore. Excuse the roof liner, I'm going to get that replaced. That bracket there I was trying to hold the phone with. This is now the 3rd time I've recorded the test drive. And yeah, Mini's a win. I put a little bit of 95 octane in it just to see if it helped at all. That new fuel pump has definitely resolved the starting issue. It was just a bit slow to start and she was a bit sluggish down low and it'd miss occasionally when you were driving along. So no, it's a win. So what I'll do is I'll leave it here. I'll catch you on the next one, and yeah, see you for some VL content. Thanks for watching.